Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about the Model Y. And before December, we can only order like the Model Y performance and the long range. However, just right now, if you click on the view inventory, it shows a lot of Model Ys. And the difference about this one is, you can see, I'm going to scroll down, is the range. It's 269. Okay, and it says here all-wheel drive, and it's located, available for pickup in Orange County. Why is the range difference in this one right here? So the one that is 269, these are the new Model Ys. These are coming out of the Texas factory, and it comes with the new battery pack, 4680. But look at the price. It's not much from the regular Model Y that we've been seeing with the battery pack 2170. About $1,000 less. And here the range maybe like 40-50 miles less, or 60-70 miles less. But it is all-wheel drive as well. And this one, since it's in the inventory, you cannot really make any changes. So you're pretty much going to buy what you see. And this one, it does come with the 20-inch induction wheels. And this one, a tow hitch. But other than that, if you're looking for the long range, then you go with the regular Model Y. But if you're looking for something new, supposedly this Model Y here is supposed to be better. And it's just the only thing is shorter range. So maybe in the future, you're going to get like a longer range. But right now, for all-wheel drive, I've heard that a lot of Tesla employees have been driving this and they really love it. So that's why Tesla bringing it to other customers like ourselves. But unfortunately, I bought the Model Y, the long range, right before, by December, actually, December 29th to be exact. And so far, really happy with it. Just recently, as a matter of fact, I just dropped it off to for them to replace the rear tail lights where they have water condensations, and hopefully they can align the driver door so that it can be completely flush like the other side. But so far the service center is really great, the one in Walnut. But yeah, so if you guys are looking for the new battery with the Model Y, here's your opportunity. So I don't know if it's going to go lower or going to go higher, but for right now, 269. So almost the same range, similar as the Model 3 standard range. But this one, there's only one color, midnight silver. All right, so that's it for this video. If you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you love the channel, please subscribe. But other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.